Hello, my name is Hector. I'm the executive chef here at the Whiskey here on Sand Lake, and today I'm going to show you how you prepare our crab fries. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to drop 2 portions of fries into our fryers. We're going to cook that for just under 3 minutes on 350 degrees. While that's going, we're going to start preparing our crab. So inside of here, I'm going to throw a little bit of crab butter down. And also this is a little bit of softened butter with our homemade hot sauce, a little bit of fresh garlic, and some nice liquid smoke in there to give it a nice dip flavor. As that's going, we're going to prepare our crab over here. Got it broken up right there. Squeeze some lemon into it. Now when we cook this, we're not trying to burn it. We don't want to ruin the integrity of the product. We're just trying to get that nice flavor inside of there. So we got to make sure we don't overcook the crab. Go ahead, throw that inside of there. Give that a nice mix. Just a little bit. And this process takes just under a minute to be complete. Check on our fries. Once the fries come up, we're going to toss them in a little bit of Old Bay, which just adds on to the flavor. We have Old Bay inside the crab mayonnaise and inside the butter. It just tastes so good with it. So that's already warmed up. Like I said, it doesn't take very long. Check on our fries. All right. Fries are looking good. Let that drain just a little bit. And come over here. Take a little bit of Old Bay. Sprinkle that in. Now just eating the fries with just the Old Bay, it's good enough on its own, really. It's delicious. But we're gonna make it taste a little bit better. So we have our plate right here. Take the fries, put them in a nice even layer. It smells so good. We also make sure that we portion out all of our fries so it's always consistent. There's no skimping or getting more or less than you should. Make sure you're getting what you paid for. So over that, we're gonna take our crab mayo. Go right over top with it. Just like that. Now we're gonna add the crab meat that we already heated up. That goes all over it. There we go. Between the Old Bay and the crab butter, it smells so good. The rest of that in there. All right. Now to finish this off, we're gonna go ahead with some diced tomatoes. Right over just like that. And then some scallions. And then last but not least, we're gonna go ahead with a seared lemon. These are the Whiskey's crab fries.